It's your boy, the Grandmaster, coming back to hit you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why people fail with their nonprofit organizations and their businesses. The reason why a lot of people fail is because they got it twisted. They start their nonprofit organization and they treat their nonprofit organization like, excuse me for being blunt, like a hoe. You know, they expect for their nonprofit to make them money without investing in their money. They treat their nonprofit or business in the wrong way. When you start a business or a nonprofit organization, you got to invest time and money to get that organization to start making money for you. It's like being in a relationship and a woman go, hey, you know, we got to keep our household together. We got to make sure there are things that we have to do. And she go and she says, I need money to pay the light bill. And you go, I don't have no money. You're going to have to be put on hold. Hey, I need money to pay the gas bill. We need our lights, the gas on. Hey, I don't have no money, so I'm going to put you on hold. If you treated your organization like a woman and she said, hey, I need shoes to just walk to the damn store, and you go, hey, I ain't got no money, you don't have a relationship. You don't have a business. You need to realize you got to invest in that business or that organization in order for that organization to be able to invest in you. Most people start a nonprofit organization and go, boom, it's going to start making money. No, it's not going to start making money. You have to invest in it. I have people calling me all the time and say, hey, I want you to help me start my nonprofit organization. No problem. I'm glad to help you. But I ain't got no money. Then you don't have a nonprofit. Hey, I want you to help me start my business. Good. But I ain't got no money. Then you don't have no business. Why in the world would you expect to start a business or start anything, a relationship or anything, without investing in it? If you're not willing to put time, money, and effort into anything, you won't have anything. You won't have a business. You won't have anything. So you need to flip that script and realize that, hey, if I want a successful nonprofit organization, I need to invest time, money, and everything else into making this business a successful business. I invested literally 20 years into my organization. Look at the stuff behind me, people. I invested a lot of time into this organization, and so that this organization can finally start investing in me. You can't expect for your nonprofit organization to start paying you money and you don't even have credibility. Where's your credibility? What have you done in the community? You expect for you to start a nonprofit and to start paying you and you haven't done anything in the community? You expect for your relationship to be happy and you haven't even invested in your relationship? You expect your business to be successful and you haven't even invested in your business? Literally. You gotta start investing in things. You gotta, as they say, sow the seeds of success if you want your organization to be successful too. A lot of people give that excuse of, hey, I don't have no money. Then you don't have a business. Hey, I don't have time. Then you don't have a business. You have to invest in that business in order for that business to become successful for you. You have to spend the time and money in order to get that business to start paying you back. Because when you don't, you still get what you got, and that's nothing. It's your boy, the Grandmaster. Invest in your business. Invest everything in your business. And I promise you, your business will invest in you. Peace.
Hey, come and check out Pharaoh Mitchell's Enterprise. Teaching people to dream with their eyes open. You gotta learn to survive. He miles above the rest, he gon' put you to the test. Teaching people to start businesses, organizations that's non-profited, entrepreneurship, start over 365 businesses, community enrichment specialist. He the gotta get it how we live it how we can. Success is the key and Pharaoh was the man.